get ready with us. Hala, us? Sino kaya yun? Ngayon guys, for the first time, as Blythe, the makeup artist ako today. So, get ready with us dahil kasama ko today si Sean Anthony. Ngayon po, may make-upan po kayo. Okay lang po ba yun?
Of course, please.
And guys, ang ganda-ganda ng skin niya.
Dari naman, she looks so like a doll. She's a doll. She's a doll. She's an angel. She's a lucky charm.
Alam niya.
Dami ko entry.
So ngayon po, mag-start siguro tayo sa blush muna. Ano pong gusto ninyo?
Since we're a little bit morena from the summer sun, I think we should do bronze goddess, right?
Okay.
Look at us. We're still morena, kay monkey. Perfect.
Pilipina.
Yes.
Pwede po ang